One of the most coveted items in my kitchen, as well as yours, from this brand that we absolutely love. Tara Tescher is here. She's the founder and creator of this brand that we love so much for our tabletop, for our stoves, for our ovens, but now everything in between, we're bringing it to you in these gloves, the 2 pairs of oven-safe gloves. So just to be clear, you're getting 4 gloves total. Today we have them for you in new color choices, but what are you doing, my dear?
Oh, so here's what I love to show, right? When we talk about, you know, heat-resistant gloves, you're gonna feel a little warm. There's nothing more impactful than a boiling tea kettle. We all know how hot that gets. Being able to take that right off the stovetop while Alberti's been talking, while I've been chatting with you, and hold it here. Layer upon layer of protection is the reason why. That silicone on the front and back means no right hand, no left hand, no guesswork when you're in the kitchen. And then I also designed it so it has that extended cuff. So inevitably, when you're reaching into the oven, you're bumping into the side, you're burning your wrist. I have so many burns on my wrist, not anymore. With these, you're getting 4 great gloves, and this is the most affordable we have ever offered these gloves.
This price. They're usually at least $20+. Today, you're getting them home for $15.98.
So cute.
$3.20
and new
is your
patterns.
easy pay. Yeah,
we got them all over here.
All over here.
Oh, yeah.
Can you come help me with these,
Are you kidding? I would love to.
All right, so we have classics up here in the blue. There's black. There's your hello yellow.
Hello yellow.
And then we have your green. And then we have
in honor of Christmas in July
of seasonals.
Right. That's going to be our light bulbs.
Or holiday lights?
Yep, our holiday lights.
Are these the gnomes?
The gnomes.
Oh
Look at how cute.
The gnomes know.
The little hanging with my gnomie.
There's
we have
our
the
reindeer.
Right?
Gray
and then,
reindeer.
last but not least, we're going to have our holly berry.
Holly berry, love that one.
Yes.
All right, come down over here. We have our Patriotic. This is the one I own,
I love
the damask gray. This one is your
our
honeycomb.
Yeah, that's got that beautiful honeycomb detail. Watermelon.
Paw
I can't
Fetty.
believe we have Paw Fetty back in.
I can't believe we have Paw Fetty. Wait, I've never seen Doodle-Doo.
Right, our Doodle-Doo, our adorable roosters in that beautiful kitchen red. Look how sweet. Roosters are always good luck in the kitchen, so love adding that in as a gift.
We only have 150 in the Paw Fetty, just FYI. There is your Nista, or your Neester. And then right down over here, I'll show you some of our other great, these are great for the fall.
Yeah, that's going to be our harvest, so that has that beautiful acorn and leaf pattern. Next to that is our pumpkin patch, which has just the pumpkins.
Only 150 in the fall, 100 in the pumpkin patch.
That's Jack.
There's Jack.
The little jack-o'-lantern on there.
Only a dozen there.
Brand new.
This is my favorite.
Right? That's our spider buffetti. He's got a little witch's hat on top, and then we did the cobweb all over with the silicone. So look at how stinking cute. Yes, exactly. Buffetti. And little spiders on the fingertips, too.
Him.
I can't.
Don't have a ton of those to go around, brand new today if you want it.
Then we did candy corn.
Candy corn.
Yes.
I know a lot of people who would love that one.
And then traditional buffetti. And then last but not least, we have our adorable ghost and cat. I can't look at that. Our black cat, who we just, Esmeralda, who we just introduced last year. Is now making it on the gloves.
Esmeralda. All right, so here's what's going on. We're already busy. 700 people are placing orders.
It's an amazing
and we have 700 orders already placed, so please use QVC.com or your mobile apps. All right, remember, we do have 2 sizes.
Yes, great, thank you.
Small.
Little housekeeping.
And large.
Yeah,
and
small is going to be a small, medium. Large is going to be a large, extra large, like Alberti's wearing the extra large. And then I also wanted to just mention you have that layer upon layer of protection, which is great. So that's how you're able to flip those baked potatoes over on the grill and not have to worry about it. I do this all summer. I also wrap my corn on the cob. I do that as well. So again, you can come in contact and you're not going to feel an excessive amount of heat. Will you feel a little heat? Absolutely. Alberti, I just wanted to show you here.
Yes,
just so we level set. Here's a boiling tea kettle.
Here.
You grab it.
I'll do it.
And then
I'll
tell
do
me.
it. There's no
Obviously,
trick. Can you do this? Can you do this with
Show off.
your oven
Show
mitt?
off.
I know. I love showing off with this one, and I'll tell you why. It's funny. It takes a while even to feel the heat.
Yes.
At least for me, right? It takes a while before you even feel that heat. Will you eventually feel the heat? Yes. Is it going to scorch you and burn you? Never.
Right.
That's the reason why these are an essential in your kitchen. You've got the silicone grip on both sides, so you never have to worry about if you're picking up a righty or a lefty. I still have this in my hand.
Yeah,
I'm not letting go of this. It is boiling. If I put it right here for you, look, it's going to start boiling immediately.
Yes.
It's There it is. It's whistling and it's boiling. Over 1,200 orders placed. This is one of the best items that I've ever purchased at QVC.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I use it every single day. You know what? In fact, I'm going to hold this like this while I take you through the choices.
Okay, perfect.
All right? It's like a magic trick. We've got right over here, we already lost Jack.
Oh, we did?
So right up here, we have our classics. And if you want the classics in the blue, 200 remain. In the black, 150 remain. In the hello yellow, that is available. There's your green,
Love
140. Right over here, we've got our holly.
Yep, our peppermint holly or holly berry.
Our holly berry, that's available. Here's our reindeer. If you want the gnomes, those are really cute.
The gnomey.
How cute would these be in like for stocking stuffers
Adorable.
and things like that?
Well, I love it, right? You could even break these up and just give one.
Just
you
give
don't have
one
to
with
give
a bottle
four
of wine
gifts.
or
Right.
something like that.
4 gifts for under $16. That's $4 a glove.
Holiday lights.
Love.
350 remain. Patriotic, 700. Gray damask. Very popular, 120. That's the one I own. Believe has the honeycombs. Watermelon, 390. Parfetti, 3 dozen, large only. There is your doodle-doo. Yeah, I know, I like them upright.
Yeah, so you can see the
400. There's your Nista. By the way, I'm still holding this. I want you to know that I'm still holding this.
You're the best.
Okay. There is your Nista.
Ghost and Cat.
Ghost and Cat, 750. Here's your original Buffetti. A dozen. Candy corn. Available. This one is again your
That's the spider Buffetti.
Spider Boo.
And what you're wearing. Boo. All the little spiders.
How many left in this? 950. This one is your
Pumpkin
Patch, 6 dozen. And then there is your
Harvest.
6 dozen left. I'm still holding this.
Yeah. And what do you feel? A little heat?
Yeah, just a little bit of heat. In
exactly.
fact, it's quite nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
There are so many reasons to use this, right? And we talk about hot all the time, literally hot. But you know what I love these for too? Is for if you have to rearrange your freezer, get anything out of the freezer. It will help you and protect your hands from the cold. Let me tell you, that's not fun.
No,
you all know it.
Yeah.
2,500 remain. Parfetti is sold out. I'm just going to open that up
I'll grab
so that
Parfetti.
it's not making
I'll
the
hand
noise.
them to you.
Thank you so much.
And here's what I want to show you, to what Rosina's saying. I also use this for bacon all the time, right? So yeah, there's a great example, but look at this bacon where it's always splattering. Here's what's amazing about it. I can reach over, I can flip my bacon when I want to. I don't have to worry about it, and it's getting pretty done, huh?
Yeah, that is.
But here's the other thing I wanted to show you. There is a boiling, grease, and I'm able to take that pan. Look at this, you guys. I am holding bacon in my hand with the grease, and I'm feeling a little heat.
That's all but on
it's
fire.
Nothing, correct. Burning. Little steamy. But look at that.
It is literally all but on
Because I
fire.
have that multiple layer upon layer of protection and the silicone, it all works together to protect your hands. It is the right tool in the kitchen for everybody.
Over 3,000 orders placed. 1,100 people are on the phone lines placing orders. Now 3,200 orders placed.
And we lost
If you
some.
want yours, please pick them up before they're gone. This is the launch of this big deal. It's the lowest price I've ever seen these gloves at. $15.98 for 2 pairs. That's 4 gloves total. And remember, you could split them up if you'd like. Here are your classics in the blue, limited, black, limited, yellow is available. Green is limited. This one is your
Holly berry.
Holly berry.
That's so the peppermints, they're adorable.
Yep. There is your reindeer, gnomes, holiday lights. Down over here we have patriotic. We have your gray damask. There is your believe. Watermelon is limited. Doodle doo. There is your Nista.
Oh my gosh, love.
Cats and ghosts. Very popular. Candy corn. Then we have the
Spider Buffetti.
Spider Buffetti.
Right.
He's the cutest thing in the
Isn't
world.
he adorable?
Pumpkin patch. 4 dozen remain, and then we also have for you the harvest. 2 dozen
all
remain.
4 gloves.
Okay, 54412 is your item number. Tara Tesher.
Yes.
We love you.
I love you.
She's going to be back a whole time
we have
in this
3
show.
more
We
items
have
in the show.
So many good things.
2 of them
from
brand new.
Temp-tations. This is a brand that we
I'm
love.
going to move that bacon before
All right, continue
it burns.
placing your orders. Okay, 54412 is your item number for that. And pick it up while we have it for you. All right, Rosina, tell me.